Hey everybody, this is Mike Stroud and Josh Stroud with StroudsBuildingSupply.com. Out here with Josh Fink all the way from Virginia. Them boys made a ride this morning, about 5 hours to come pick up a pole barn kit. You can figure about $4.75 a square foot for the whole roof kit like you see on the truck there. All your 6x6 16-foot posts, all your steel trusses 24 foots, what they got 24 by 30, all your 2x6 yellow pine purlins. We use the number 2 prime for 4 good sides. We use number 1 grade stamp 6x6s. So we do a little extra because we want people telling people about us. We're all about sales and service and taking care of our customers, and we appreciate them and appreciate the ones that we send all over the country. But like I said, $4.75 a square foot for everything that you're looking for to put it on the roof, and then you can figure about $7.75 to enclose it like a box on the ground, kind of like this building right here. That's going to be all your insulation for your roofing, your walls, your trusses, your 2x6 girts, your rack guard, corner trims, gable trims, all your vertical siding metal, the insulation for the roof and the wall. So give us a call at 828-413-4201 or call us at 828-578-5555.